Welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa. Get your education booklet in our daily newspaper, street sales, or at your school every Monday to Thursday for pre-primary up until grade 3. The lessons are for listening or watching online. Inside the newspapers, there is an insert of the lesson booklet. Please cut the top of the lesson booklet with a pair of scissors and fold it for ready to use. But there is more. We are also available on our online platforms, MyZone and Zoshi Facebook pages, and in addition, our website, Zoshi Online. Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to My Zone Online School. My name is Teacher Mutsa, and thank you so much for joining me today. Our theme this week is customs and ceremonies. And before we do any lessons, boys and girls, we must sanitize. Now you know our special song, so let us sanitize while singing. Sanitize every day so the germs can stay away. Sanitize every day so the germs can stay away. Yay! Good job, everyone. Now we are ready. For today's lesson, we will be talking about addition and the sound N. For our first exercise today, boys and girls, let's turn to page 20. On page 20, we have some teddy bears. Oh, and they look so cute, the little pandas. And it is going to be our job to use the pictures to add. So we are going to add. And then we are also going to write the sum down below. They have given you an example for the first one, and I would like you to trace. Now we are going to do the second one together. Let's take a look at the board. Now I don't have teddies, but I do have circles, and it is the same as the one in your book. Now the first square that we can see in the picture has some teddies, so we need to count the teddies in the first box. Let's count, you in your booklet and me on the board. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. Please write the number 4. You go down, across, and in the middle you make a line. The next box has 2. Let's count and see if we are correct. 1, 2. So you are going to write the number 2 down and across. Well done. Now to get your answer, you need to count everything. So let us count everything from the first one to the second one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. So we write our 6 there. Now the sum is complete. It says 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now you're going to do the rest by yourself. Take your time, count the little pandas, and if you're not sure, you can always ask for help. I'll see you soon after this advert break.
Do you have children in the age range of 5 to 6 years and want to participate in our school booklet program? Please contact us on 081 74 3759 and we will put you on our distribution list for the attention of pre-primary schools. Topics include family, summer, culture, traditions and houses, transport and communications, occupations, autumn, and more. We distribute countrywide in over 7 different languages.
For our lesson today, for the exercise that's coming up next, please can you turn to page 21. On page 21, we will be discussing the sound N. Everybody, let's say N. 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 Well done. Now that sound, boys and girls, is made up of 2 letters. There is the capital letter N and the small letter N. Both of them say N. So the first thing that you're going to do is color in the capital letter and the small letter. You are also going to circle them in the exercise below, but only the small letter N. Then, after that, you are going to color in the window there because the window is showing us the night time. Now, I have a few things that start with N. Let's take a look at the board first. So the first word that I have that starts with N is the word nest, like the nest of a bird. We have seen them before in pictures. The next word that starts with N is the word nose. Everybody, let's touch our nose. Touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your nose. Then the next word that starts with N is the word nails. Everybody has nails. These are fingernails. And then down there we have toenails. So we have fingernails and we have toenails. Then the last word, I have a special picture for you, so I'm not going to read it for you. In fact, let me cover it. And I want you to tell me what this is in the picture. It's juicy and it tastes delicious. And it reminds us of spaghetti. But it is not spaghetti. It is a word that starts with N. Can you guess what it is? You eat it with chopsticks. It is the word noodles. Well done. If you guessed that correctly, good job. So that was noodles. So these are the words that start with N. And I want you to please color the picture that says night in your exercise. The next thing they have asked you to do in your exercise is to trace. Now we are going to do the big letter N and the small letter N. Let's start with the big letter. Now the big letter touches the top and the bottom line when it is being drawn. The first move that we make is down. And then we lift up our pencil and then we go across. Then we go up for our capital letter N. So I want you to try it. You with your finger, me with my finger here on the chalkboard. Are you ready? So we go down. Then we lift up our pencil and then we go across. Well done. And then we go up. And that is our letter N. Let's try it again. Start at the top, down, lift, across, and up. Now we want to try it in our books. You're going to do the first trace and I will do it here on the board. Let's start at the top. You with your pencil, me with my chalk. Very good. And we're going to go down. We lift up our pencil and we start at the top again, but this time we're going across. Very good. And then we go up. And that is our capital letter N. Remember, it touches the top line and the bottom line, so don't forget. Then our small letter N is starting from the dotted line. Now it's not going to touch the top, but both of its feet are touching the bottom. So we are going to practice small letter N. You with your finger, me with my finger. Let's start. So the first one we do is a line down. Then without lifting, we go up and round back down. Let's try again. We start down, up, and round. Remember, boys and girls, small letter N does not pass the dotted line. So we are going to now try it with our pencil. You with your pencil, me with my chalk. So let us go. We're going to start. We're going to go down, up, and round. Very good. Make sure you do not pass the dotted line. So I want us to try the capital letter N again. You in your book, me on the board. Let's go. Down. We lift up our pencil, go back up and across, and up. That is our capital letter N. And then the small letter, let's try. You with your pencil, me with my chalk. Let's go. We start from the dotted line going down, up, and down, round. There we go. So make sure that when you are doing your letters, small letter N, it does not cross the dotted line. The rest of the exercise you are going to do by yourself. And remember, take your time and have fun. I will see you after our advert break.
Follow us on MyZone Facebook Active Kids to watch your daily lesson and other fun activities with Zoe and Zoshi.
I had so much fun in our lesson today, and I hope you also had fun. But now that we are done, boys and girls, it's very important for us to sanitize. Remember, we have our special sanitizing song, so let us sing it together. Sanitize every day so the germs can stay away. Sanitize every day so the germs can stay away. Yay! Good job, everyone. But I'm a little sad. Sashi didn't come to say goodbye or hello today. Sashi, are you mad at me? Sashi? Oh, there he is. Hello, Sashi. So, from Sashi and I, we would like to say thank you for joining us today and goodbye.
Our online school will help you along the way. Find us at www.zoshi.online and download the booklet. Follow us on Facebook to never miss a video. Subscribe to our Zoshi Telegram channel if you want to receive daily updates. Proudly sponsored by Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture, Namibian Community Trust, UNICEF for Every Child, My Zone Online School, and Amos Meerkat Syllabus.